Which of the following statements are true? Option A is series. This is convergent. This is absolute convergent. This is convergent. And this is also convergent. Now we have to test this series one by one and find the answer which one is convergent or which one is not convergent. Now first take option A, series minus 1 raised to the power n divided by root n. It is alternating series, and for alternating series we know the concept of Leibniz test. According to Leibniz test, after making this un positive terms, positive term series, this after making this mod of un should be monotonically decreasing, and limit of this un must be 0, as after making this is positive term series, this is summation 1 upon root n, and limit of 1 upon root n is also 0, and this is monotonically decreasing. Both condition of Leibniz test is fulfilled. So by Leibniz test, this is convergent series. Remember one point: convergence of convergence of absolute convergence of alternating series. Convergence of alternating series doesn't imply convergence of absolute convergence. Sorry, absolute convergence. It means this is alternating series and it is convergent, but this is not absolute convergence. You can check. This is 1 upon root n, and by p-test, this is divergent. Now come to the option B. The series minus 1 raised to the power n divided by root n plus n. Option B is summation minus 1 raised to the power n divided by root n plus n. And we have to test it for absolute convergence. Absolute convergence. For absolute convergence, make it positive term series. It will be 1 upon root n plus 1, and take 1 up n, take n common from denominator. It will be summation 1 upon n 1 plus 1 upon root n. Now consider this is a p series and it is divergent. We know that if you consider this is Vn, summation of Vn will be 1 upon n, and it is divergent. Also, limit of this un divided by Vn is equal to 1, not equal to 0, finite and non-zero. So apply comparison test. By comparison test, un and series Vn either converge or diverge together. Now this is divergent, so it is divergent, and here it is absolute convergent. Option B is false here. Option B false here. Now come to the point. Option C, 1 plus, this is series 1 plus minus 1 raised to the power n outside root n plus log n divided by n raised to the power 3 by 2. This is series and we have to test it for convergence. Now resolve it. It will be 1 upon n plus minus 1 raised to the power n divided by n plus log n divided by n raised to the power 3 by 2. Now this is convergent. This is convergent but not absolute convergent, but not absolute convergence. By Leibniz test it is convergent because of this is monotonically decreasing, also limit of this is 0. Both condition of Leibniz test is fulfilled here, so this alternating series is convergent. Now this is divergent series. Divergent series, whatever, either it is convergent or divergent, because we know one of them is divergent, so entire result will be divergent. So option C is false here. Option C is also false here. Now come to the option D. The series minus 1 raised to the power n root n plus 1 divided by n raised to the power 3 by 2. Again apply Leibniz test. This is summation minus 1 raised to the power n root n plus 1 divided by n raised to the power 3 by 2. This is given option D and we have to test it for convergence. For convergence. Now also resolve this one. Resolve minus 1 divided by minus 1 raised to the power n divided by n plus 1 upon n 3 by 2. This is convergent by p-test and this is also convergent by Leibniz test. Leibniz test for alternating series. So convergent plus convergent series, entire result will be convergent. Option D is true here. So option A and D is true and B and C are false here.